was with this girl, guys. Let me say I do bad things.
Okay, now wait till you people done.
I just did like that. In fact, hey yo, this is from the P.SQUARE. Oh. So now I'm Mr. B. My name is P.SQUARE. Hey you, what you wanna say? Never hack about when I is Zamu Pasa, Zamu Guada, so when you harder, when you check, hey, cause somebody say, Nina che, when I che, to show you that I really love you, baby. I made a promise in my life and not to hurt a lady too. Let in my life, I swear to God, I never lie. You're the only one that I admire. You're the one who will stay for my side. You're my one and my only one desire.
Where you were last night? I saw you with my best friend last night. I saw you chilling with my best friend. You wanna know my best friend? Tell me, best friend. Tell me where you were last night. I saw you with my best friend last night. I saw you chilling with my best friend. You wanna know my best friend? Tell me who your best friend are.
Oh no, they don't got you. Nah. Jiggy, slow it down too. Tell me what you wanna do. Should I buy you just a drink so you can pass through? Ask who, when you got in your bathroom. P.SQUARE, no be me when they catch. Now waiting and they talk when they run. Then they even swear with the only song to show you that they really know where they're done. Stop asking. Yo, it's not remix, yo. We're gonna make it twist the west, yo. Is this yo? Yes, yo. No be so. Come and go. There she goes asking me where I go. Last night I was chilling with my friend in his Benz. It all depends what you're thinking. No sentiment. Come on, girl. Show me how to play the game and stop asking where you last night.
Tell me where you were last night. I saw you with my best friend last night. I saw you chilling with my best friend. You wanna know my best friend? Tell me your best friend. Tell me where you were last night. I saw you with my best friend last night. I saw you chilling with my best friend. You wanna know my best friend? Tell me who your best friends are.
Whoa.
Tell me where you were last night.
It's time to do some dedication, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
To all my brothers and my friends. Those from the East Coast,
Tell
West
me
Coast.